Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about setting up your YouTube channel upload defaults. So if you want to save some time every time you're uploading videos and you want to have some preset information in there, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select your user icon at the top right, go ahead and left click on that, and go down to YouTube Studio. On the left side, you want to select the setting gear button. And then on the left side again, you want to select where it says upload defaults. And then at this point, you can go ahead and select a default title for videos as well as description if you want to copy and paste some text in there, as well as the visibility of the video. So if you want to have it set to public, private, or unlisted. And then the tags, you can also add tags in here too. And that's pretty much it. And then you can also go under advanced settings here too if you want to allow or disallow automatic chapters and key moments. If you want to have a Creative Commons license, you can set that up here. Video language, title and description language, as well as the category as well. And if you want to have comments turned on or off, as well as the moderation of said comments. So pretty straightforward process on that. You would select save to save it, and that's all you'd have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.